My friends, now I am in Nandankanan, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Opening time and closing time of Nandankanan. April to September, 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and October to March, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and this Nandankanan remains closed for every Monday. My friends, now the time is 10 o'clock in the morning and I am entering Nandankanan Zoological Park in Odisha of India. My friends, on 29th December 1960, S.K. Patil, the then Minister of Food and Agriculture, Government of India, inaugurated the new biological park christened as Nandankanan, the Heavenly Garden of God. Subsequently, a botanical garden came up in the year of 1963. The Nandankanan Biological Park was renamed as Nandankanan Zoological Park on recommendation of the Odisha Legislative Assembly Committee in 1981 to 1982. The zoo started growing slowly with addition of new enclosures and the first tiger was brought to the zoo in the year of 1964 from Alipore Zoo in Calcutta along with a pair of African lions, a puma and a pair of maggots during All India Congress Committee session at Bhubaneswar. My friends, Nandankanan had a very interesting beginning. Some of forest officials conceived the idea of including some rare wild animals and rare orchids typical to state in the Odisha Pavilion in World Agricultural Fair 1960 at Delhi. It was contemplated that rare animals from Odisha would certainly make the Odisha Pavilion a crowd puller, since procurement of wild animal and their transport to Delhi would be an expensive affair. Therefore, it was decided to include small animals like mouse deer, leopard cat, wild cat, etc. etc. This idea was much appreciated at the higher level and a decision was taken to have a mini zoo in the World Agricultural Fair. Since there was hardly any time for the capture of wild animals from wild, it was decided to approach persons who are in possession of the wild animals and procure the same by way of hire or purchase for the exhibition. According to the divisional forest officers, were instructed to procure the wild animals for dispatch to Delhi and accordingly these animals were sent to Delhi and exhibited inside Odisha Pavilion in the World Agricultural Fair. My friends, unfortunately, the State Finance Department raised serious objections to the idea of starting a zoo in Odisha as it would involve a lot of expenditure for its establishment and maintenance. But in the meantime, the wild animals arrived at Bhubaneswar by May 1960, and their upkeep and feeding posed a serious problem for forest department. My friends, with cooperation and efforts of divisional forest officers, temporary structure with brass wood and thatched roof were constructed at Khandagiri near Bhubaneswar to shelter these wild animals. The Jain community also came forward with the help of feeding these wild animals at Khandagiri. These animals at Khandagiri attracted large number of visitors both from Bhubaneswar town and neighboring villages. The range officers were very impressed with its aesthetic beauty and recommended location of the zoo there with construction of a straight road a distance of 14 to 15 km from Bhubaneswar. Accordingly, it was decided to locate the zoological park in Jajagad Forest Block, Botanical Garden in Krishna Nagar Forest Block, and develop Kanjia Lake for boating and angling. And my friends, in this Nandan Kanan Zoological Park, a lakhs of people are coming not only from Odisha state but also from different areas of India. My friends, this is vast place, vast area, and I think you may spend your valuable time in this Nandan Kanan.
My friends, today I have travelled Nandan Kanan, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I am extremely happy to visit this tourist place. My friends, I request all of you, if you manage time, then you come down to Nandan Kanan, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. My friends, thank you so much.